Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trade BSA. So this short video here, I would like to share with you three stocks that having a reaccumulation. Of course, one of the stocks that I think inform inverse pullback. Okay, so probably for those that who are looking for the counters, okay, probably want to be prepared to do some decision, okay, on your exit strategy. Okay, if you are looking into technical analysis, of course, today in this video here we are using volume spread analysis, okay, to help us out to determine whether we should look for entry or exit in short to medium terms over here. Right. So first of all, I got the next. I think we have discussed several times for the next actually come from a long period of reaccumulation currently. I think it do hits the R2 the other day and subsequently currently reverse. Okay, so it actually trying to cross the actually crossing the red line, okay, of the market stages. So there's a reason why I think they are doing a pullbacks back to support right now. Okay, so if you look into this big range over here, it actually form a very nice reaccumulation with plenty of sound strength at the bottom. Okay, so the recent one actually come with a green pentagons, and as subsequently it hits the resistance. Okay, so like I said, you can actually use the trading plan that is in trade with the 360 over there to build where is the potential area for you to look for TP or maybe entry. Okay, so of course for those looking for entry right now, as we always mention, okay, look for the gray bar above zero, below green, and sound strength. Okay, in this area. So this is a nice area for you to look into. So again, just a very quick one. Let's check on DNEX over here. So I believe we actually hit the R2 the other day. So this R1 and R2 actually don't change every single day unless there's a big changes in the charts over there, right? So if you look into the latest, I think the support actually changed a little bit, okay, to 86. Okay, previously the support is somewhere around this area, right? When we do live Facebook 2 weeks ago before it hit the resistance. So currently the R1 is 1, R2 is 107. Okay, 1 and 107. So it's somewhere around here. Yeah, it hits the R1 actually. Okay, it's the R1, and of course R2 is 107. We can draw your line later on, right? So this is the area that you want to look for sound strength. Okay, by using trade resist 360. Notice here the support level, resistance 1, resistance 2. Okay, so this is the area that you want to look for the potential sound strength support areas, okay, to maximize your risk to reward. Okay, so hopefully we'll see more sound strengths coming in DNEX, okay, in this particular area. Okay, do remember this actually just not ask you to buy or sell any stocks. Okay, just want to share with you how we use VSA, how we use VSA 360, sub combination with support resistance and market stages to help us out in our trades. Okay, now the other trades that I'm looking into is PMBTECH. This is slightly bit pricey, but again, this range over here, if I'm calculating from here to here, it actually provide around like 27 percent of range, okay, for us to trade. Of course, now actually increase a bit already, around 5 to 6%. If you look into hourly chart, the things that I'm looking to hourly chart right now is actually discounters that come with plenty of NS. Okay, so if you look into DNEX earlier on, it actually come with green pentagon with NS, okay, before it hits the resistance. Okay, so here also the hourly chart show few of the very nice NS over here. So again, you can use the hourly chart to check on the pullback areas. Okay, so just a very quick one. Okay, of course DNEX also just now 5/8 in the FA ratings. You might want to check that out as well. So PMBTECH. Okay, let's do the PMBTECH. We want to check the trading plan. Okay, whether is it far away from trend 40s, sorry, far away from supports, or is there any chance for them to hit the new resistance or not? Okay, so FA rating seems like NA. All right, so let's do supports over here. We got 11.8. 11.8. Okay, 11.8 is somewhere around this area here. Okay. Yeah, I think somewhere around this area. So exactly at all lots of these sound strength areas. Okay, so this is the area of support. I think our is pretty close. 13.6. Okay, 13.7. 13.7. Okay, around this area. Almost hit. Okay, almost hit. And of course the main one will be 14.6. Okay, 14.6. 14.6. I think it's around this area over here. Okay, so by doing this, actually, you know that okay, where is the area for you to monitor sound strength, sound weakness. Okay, so of course, for me, because the support is still slightly before, okay, around like 9 to 11% for me. So what I do is that I'm hoping to see more pullbacks coming in. Okay, low risk entry, like for example here. Okay, gray bars. Okay, more sound of strength. Test NS will be nice in daily charts. So this is an area for me, to look for a very nice risk to rewards. Okay, according to support and resistance over there. Okay, last one, Genting. I think Genting's make a unwind today. Of course, this is coming from inverse pullback patterns. Okay, now do remember when the price sell off heavily. Okay, so this is the high volume bar, right? So this is the area that you always want to take note. Okay, because it comes with a gap. Okay, so high volume bar must overtake, okay, by up bar, preferred by increasing volume to ensure the buy is back. So if in this case over here, if you realize that it do actually overtake for like few days, subsequently it failed to hold, okay, and mostly if you notice, this is the minimum for me, okay, low volume, okay, so that's why when it overtake, most of the time we prefer to see more volume coming in, okay, from the chart. So again, another gap down. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be uh, uh, inverse pullback, okay, in the downtrend, of course. So again, we just want to do a quick check over here. So sometimes we actually can use this support resistance to check is it worth for you to look for entry or not. Okay, so for example here, stop loss, sorry, the support level is 4.45. Okay, let's check. 4.45 is around this area. So you know that whenever the price is below support, means that this is not a stop for you to look for entry, probably because of they are still downtrend, they are doing a shakeout, they're not in a very nice setups at the moment. Okay, so for me, as long as below supports, I not even want to consider. Okay, so again, this is just a quick ideas on how you're going to build your own trading plan by combining market stages and sound strength. In this few counters over here. So if you like this video over here, make sure you click like buttons and subscribe. Do let me know again if, let's say, there's any other counters you want me to cover in the next video.